As Winston Churchill once said, "We shape our buildings, thereafter they shape us." This quote best describes the building SMU Connection. Built as an insertion into an existing city campus, SMU Connection connects the existing buildings as well as people within the campus and within the city. With its primary function as a space for learning, the vision is to create a flexible co-learning space, taking cue from the ubiquitous influence of co-working spaces in the city, whereby hot desking is the norm and collaboration and networking is key. The blurring of the learning, resting and playing spaces enables students to foster closer relationships with one another, and allows for closer bonds between students and teachers. In place of formal classrooms are informal discussion rooms, with movable furniture, including even pull-down beds designed for a 24-hour facility. Every flight of stairs and every corner in the hub makes a sweet spot for either serious mugging, creative brainstorming, or just casual lounging.
There's this room in the SMU Connection known as the jamming room on the level 4. It has really helped us develop closer bonds because we share this closed environment in SMU Connection.
Being just a door away from the normal study space really gives me like a nice avenue to express myself as a creative and to really take a break from your normal routine. It really challenges the way you study, challenges the way you learn, and challenges the way you work with people. I think that especially in this changing society, working with different people is extremely important, and it radically disrupts the way we usually work.
Inserted between the School of Accountancy and the School of Law, SMU Connection consists of a 5-storey building with a bridge building. The connector between School of Accountancy to SMU Connection is at ground level via sheltered walkways, while the connector between SMU Connection to School of Law is via the bridge building suspended above the 4-lane Stamford Road, making the commuting within the school seamless and weatherproof in times of rainy days. 3 new methods of construction were employed to enhance buildability as well as achieve efficiency and sustainability. Using the MEP, Mechanical Electrical Plumbing System, allows for the prefabricated components and equipment to be assembled off-site and installed on campus. The use of MET, Mass Engineered Timber, from sustainable sources allow for large slabs of ready-made engineered wood with improved structural integrity to be easily installed on site as floor plates and facade cladding. The adoption of DFMA, designed for manufacturing and assembly technology, greatly minimises the manpower for construction and expedited the building process, making it possible for SMU Connection to be completed in the short period of 15 months. Other green building technologies adopted including the use of photovoltaic system and smart control systems, a passive displacement cooling system, which makes use of convectional currents to circulate cool air around the building, resulting in a 40% saving on energy as compared to conventional air conditioning systems. All monitored by a computerized management system that provides data for repairs and maintenance to optimize building operations and save costs. Double glazing and shading devices to keep the building's temperature cool, LED lights to minimize energy consumption. All these features are integrated into a creative building form that is designed to be mostly self-shading, as it harnesses an optimum amount of daylight for the interior. With these, the SMU Connection achieved the status of a net zero energy building, the first in the city. It also garnered the Green Mark Platinum Award for all its success as a truly green building. Hence, it was cited in Parliament by our Minister of National Development, Desmond Lee, as an exemplary example of innovation in green buildings. Nestled at the centre of the lush gardens of Fort Canning Hill, the cultural aura of the National Museum of Singapore, and the commercialism of the surrounding shopping malls, SMU Connection, standing at the intersection of these 3 different forces, physically integrates while metaphysically balances the very diverse forces of nature, culture and capitalism, as it finds its purpose and place in the city. In the face of the global climate emergency, the recent pandemic and increasing inflation, the integrated and well-connected city has taken on new importance, and sustainability in architecture plays a key role in enabling the resilience of cities. And SMU Connection demonstrates how one building can grapple with some of these issues and play a part in making the world a better place. While MKPL architects give shape to what 21st century learning looks like, what matters more is that the students nurtured here will in turn give shape to the future of Singapore.